We just watched them land. Hey. Oh, they're beautiful.
Did you go get some, like a bowl of water or something?
No, they've got water and oats and everything they need already. What are they doing? Oh my God, what are you doing? Everything's so cute right now. You saw that?
Mm-hmm.
Stinking cute.
It's called frolicking.
Oh my gosh. It's called Stealing My Heart.
This is Bob Seger's Night Moves is playing.
This is this ASL center dog. In sign language, I would say, I love ducks. That's like really low. She. No,
No,
he. He. It's the he. It's the he, yeah, for sure. Oh my gosh, what is he doing? It must be because there's so much water pooled there because there's a lot of, there's a bare section there. And I bet it's pooled there that it thinks it, oh my gosh.
It's really neat.
I mean, to watch the rabbit roll around on its back yesterday. I just freaking love nature so much. Here they come, look at them. Oh my God, they're so cute. I put a bunch of birdseed in that yellow pottery piece. It's a planter, but I could never find the right plant for it, so I was like, what the heck? Let me fill it with birdseed. The squirrels can kind of dig from different sections. It's like God gave a child soul a crayon and said, color this in for me. And they gave it a green head, a yellow bill, and orange feet, brown wings, and a black and white butt. I mean, really. Look at it just laid
The
down.
green on them was really, really
It's my favorite color. My favorite color. So